My name is Peter Krsko.
And I'm Nathan Nordstrom. This is our collaborative piece, Astron, for the Art in Public Places Tempo Program 2018. Basically, my idea was bringing something urban into a park setting, something that color-wise would stand out, almost like a celestial explosion of color.
We chose to do collaboration because our work is very complementary. Nate works mostly in urban spaces and streets and graffiti on the walls and places that I rarely create my artwork in. I work a lot in woods and places that are more nature. And that's why, you know, when we came together, it just clicked perfectly because the two things just go together.
Ultimately, public art, I feel, is for the public. Because the public will let you know whether they like it or not. And so I hope the City of Austin's residents appreciate what we've done, and we'd love to continue doing it in the future.